Hey everybody, it is qcknd and welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited about today's video. We're going to be doing a hair video and it's going to be all about the color rose gold. So before we get started, if it is your first time here, I am a hairstylist apprentice, so I do have a couple hair videos, beauty school videos. I'll leave a hair playlist down below and you can always subscribe if you feel like you're into this vibe. I make a ton of other videos, but today's video is going to be all about rose gold hair. So rose gold was trend forecasted to be the big thing of 2018, I would say arguably 2017. I think pink hair is something that's really digestible, and with all of the different fashion colors coming out and stuff, I think pink was one of the first things that people were like, oh yeah, I want pink hair, I want festival hair, I want pink hair for vacation. This is something we hear a lot in our salon, and I went to a hair show 2 weeks ago, and even then they were talking about subtle colors for your businesswoman. Today I'm going to be talking about, and I'm getting over a cold. I do a weekly live stream now, and I talked for 3 hours, and then I talked for the rest of the day, and I worked an extra day last week, and it just I just got a cold. So what perfect timing coming out of my cold than to treat myself to this and a new hair color. Also I have a party to go to tomorrow, so I think this will be really cool if it works. So the product I'm going to be trying out today is one of these wash-in kind of colors, and I got this at Target, and this is the Kristen S Rose Gold Temporary Tint with zip up technology. So I got this at Target maybe 2 weeks ago. My grandmother was looking for a overnight conditioning treatment, and she had a very specific thing in mind. And I've been wanting to try this Kristen S product line. It's sold, I believe, exclusively at Target. Unless you live in Canada, then there's another retailer who sells it, and then I guess probably a European retailer as well. I wouldn't say this was $12. It's cruelty free. The overnight conditioner that I got my grandma was actually $14, so a little more. And it came in a deodorant stick to rub on her hair. She was expecting a tub conditioner, and so was I. It came in a closed box. But this Kristen S Rose Gold Temporary Tint for pre-lightened or highlighted blonde hair, temporary toning, instant blush color in shower application. So I have highlights, and then my hair is blonde on the ends. I'm getting my hair done professionally in 2 weeks, so I thought perfect timing if this completely messes up my hair, which I've had some complete mess ups on my hair on this channel, being a lab rat, so I'm not worried if this completely ruins my hair, but I have pretty high expectations. I don't think anything's gonna go wrong. I'm sorry, I'm really getting over this cold. So really quickly, shampoo your hair and rinse. Apply spray in the shower on wet hair. For more intense pink color, towel dry the hair before you spray. For a more subtle hint of pink, spray directly on fresh rinse hair. Once you feel you've covered your hair, wait 1 to 2 minutes and then rinse. Follow up with your favorite conditioner or mask. Tip, do a small test piece in the sink. Contains zip-up technology, a strengthening complex designed to zip up split ends while targeting weak areas of the hair. This is in my lap. The thing about this is I don't have a shower. I just have a tub. But we're gonna make it work. I'm just gonna wash my hair really quickly. I'm not gonna show you the washing process. If you wanna see a video about how I wash and blow dry my hair, I can leave that link down below. Every cat is in here now. Okay, I'm in my bathroom. This is a bathing suit. My hair is shampooed. Here it is. I'm gonna. Okay, so it is a spray. Let's just spray this. to do while you're in your shower, yeah? A mousse would be like an easier application. So it's just like water in the hair. There's definitely some spots in this. I don't want it to deposit like unevenly. Okay, it's been on the hair for about a minute. You can see there's still parts that don't have product on them. Okay, so this is it after one application. I know that I'm in tungsten light, so it might be hard to see. This looks kind of like orangey, but I kind of like the way it looks. I think it's really pretty. Right here you can kind of see like an overly pink deposit. And then the rest of the hair, I've only partially blow dried it, but the rest of the hair, I think it looks good. So I'll pop us in natural light. But I think it looks pretty, like it is subtle though. So I think what I'm gonna do for you guys, even though I like the way it looks, I think it's pretty. I think it looks like rose gold, like, let's see. I think that's exactly right. I feel like I should spray it one more time, so let's see. This time I'm applying it on dry hair and I'm kind of like rubbing it in there. Okay, this is my second attempt and it's definitely a lot more pink looking, so let's start to blow dry. So this is coming up really pink, but this is the finished result. Let's go closer to the window. Okay, it is a lot brighter over here and this is more natural light. And this is the final look. So my overall impressions of this product were pretty good. I did use it twice in application and I left it on for about 1 to 2 minutes like it suggested. I think it's really good. There's some parts of it with like a little bit of an uneven deposit, like right around here. You can kind of see that there are some of my blonde pieces still left, but I think it's really good. I actually really do like it. I ended up doing it twice and I did like the application before this. So this is layered 2 times. I think that this is more of like what a consumer would want to see. Like they would want to see the pink. For me, I really did like you can see some of the original like not as pink tones. I actually really did like the more softer like rose gold thing, but I do think like a consumer who is buying this would want to see the pink. I think that this is like a good overall like impression of it. And you can kind of see that like throughout it's pretty well deposited and everything like that. My hair was probably like a level 9 blonde, so this is the results you're kind of going to get if you have blonde hair that was like mine. I did have to put some dry shampoo in my bangs just because I feel like there was a little bit of product buildup. It does suggest that you put conditioner on afterwards, so that's what I did. Yeah, you can really see it throughout the bangs here. Really cute. So I did use about half of the bottle. Yeah, he wants to be pink too. Go ahead now. I did use about half of the bottle, but for $12, I feel like if you can get about 2 applications out of it, that's still pretty comparable to, you know, if you're dyeing at home, if you're dyeing at home and you're using like a Manic Panic or something, I think the little tubs are about $14. It kind of just depends, because this is a pastel color, if you are someone who dyes at home, you could probably create something like this, like get like a cotton candy pink and mix it with conditioner and have something like this last a little longer. If you were somebody, it did kind of stain my arm right here, and it did stain my nail beds, but I have to do my nails anyway. I would say this is a great product for you if you are somebody who, you know, you have blonde hair, you love your blonde hair, you don't want anything to mess with your blonde hair, but you do want to try something maybe for like a festival or like a beach weekend, or like me, I'm going to a party tomorrow and I also know my hair is going to get done in like a week, so I have time to like play around. If you're somebody who, you know, your balayage is relatively grown out like mine, this can kind of be something to add life to it. And I'm really excited for when I wash this because I think it's going to be a really beautiful like pink gold. And I think, you know, you have to decide what your definition of rose gold is, and then give me this. You have to decide what your definition of rose gold is. I know, like, when I'm talking to clients, it ranges all over the place. Sometimes people think cotton candy is rose gold. Sometimes people think that like a more orange sherbet or like a peach is rose gold. So it does kind of range over the spectrum, and I think that this product is a pretty good middle ground for that. I definitely think that the first application that I showed was a truer rose gold, but was really faint. And I wanted to show you guys like what could be done with this product. So let me know what you think. Is this something you would use? I would say if I could change anything about this product, I would want it to be a foam instead of a spray. It was relatively easy for me to clean it in my shower, my bathroom, but if I didn't have like tiled walls, I mean, most people have a shower. But because of the spray application, the second time I did it in front of the mirror, so I got a better range of everything, and I do like the way it turned out. There was a more ease of application when I was doing it in front of a mirror. So I think if it was a foam, it would be a lot easier to apply in the shower. It being a spray is almost like someone doing it for you, so it seems almost like salon quality for it to be a spray. But I guess they wanted to create something that wasn't like an overtone or like a leave-in conditioner. They wanted to create something new. So I think a foam, I mean, my expert opinion, I think a foam would be a lot easier for user application. And that's kind of it. I didn't love the fragrance, but I just put some of my own like R&Co leave-in conditioner over top, and I can still smell it, but it's a little more dialed down. I think the price was right. I think it's easy to buy. You don't have to get it at Sally's. You can go to Target, and the packaging is really cute. And like I said, you could do it once to have just kind of a faint, or you can do it twice and have a more like pink. But I don't know. It's kind of very pink for me. Like I said, I think I'll like it more after I shampoo it once, but that's me. Let me know what you guys think. Are you somebody who would try a product like this? Do you have fashion color hair and you have a regimen? Or are you somebody who would like to try fashion color hair maybe for like a weekend, but you're not sure what like your parents would think or your boss? I think this is a great alternative for people who want to get their feet wet. I don't think that people like that are posers or anything. I celebrate it. There are definitely a ton of people who come to the salon who just want like lavender for the weekend hair. And hell yeah, here's a product for you, but rose gold. Let me know what you think down below. Do you like videos like this? I've tried out other fashion colors before, so I'll leave some links down below if you're into it. Give this video a thumbs up, and until next time, bye guys.